Do you find rear crosses and agility daunting? If you're running a dog that's much faster than you, they are very, very useful and pretty much necessary. So in this video, let me show you the 3 steps so you can teach your dog to rear cross with confidence. Let's go through the steps to teach our young agility dogs the rear cross. In the rear cross, we need the dog to be ahead of us so we can cross their path behind them, effectively causing them to change direction after the next obstacle. So here's a super simple foundation exercise that you can already do with a little puppy. I'm going to start with getting our dog to sit, and then while feeding them, I'm going to go behind them. Make sure you don't step on their tail. This is just getting them used to you going behind their back. Good. Start that again. Ready? Sit. And it's totally okay just to keep feeding them while you do this, because this is a little weird. Good boy. Good job. Yes. Good boy. So I'm really distracting him with the food so he stays in place. Would be okay if he stands, as long as you can still reach. Feed while you move around. Good boy. Good. Sit. Wait. Wait. Yes. Good. Wait. Good boy. So that's the next step, where we get the dog to wait, and you can see how his head shifts when I switch directions. So for the next step, we're going to use one jump and a bowl that I'm going to set up a little offset to one side. And we're actually not even going to get the dog to turn. We're just getting him used to continue moving forward even if I cut behind him. So prerequisite for this exercise is that you build a drive for your dog to go to a target. This could be a toy or a fruit bowl. I'm going to set him up at a bit of an angle so it's a straight line for him, but I'm going to switch as soon as he's ahead of me. I'm going to switch over to the other side. Ready? Okay. Okay, go. Yes! That wasn't perfect because he turned the wrong way first. We'll just do this again. Go. Good. Good. We might just start with a couple of reps of just going straight without the side change. Okay, go. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good job. And go. Yeah, good boy. Let's try that. Okay. Yes, good. Sometimes it's easier if we have a bit of momentum. So if you start from a standstill, your dog really has to drive forward to that bowl. If you can do another jump or send them around a cone or something, then you get that momentum going where they barely notice when you cut behind them. Try that in the other direction. Ready? Good. Gonna go straight once. Good boy. Yes, good. You can see that he's very aware of where I am. He's just kind of noticing when I go behind him, so we got to stay at this stage until they're comfortable with this. Baby. Go. Good. Mixing building it up with a straight one so they don't start to anticipate too much. Nice, good. That was a really nice one. Good. So the next step is that we'll start more straight, but still have the reward offset to one side. We'll see if we can do that. Ready? Good. This is what it looks like if it doesn't go right. We'll do that again. Ready, ready, ready? Yes, good. That was a really nice one. Try that the other direction. Good. So it's always a good idea to do the first one without a rear cross, just so he knows where the target is, where the reward is waiting for him. And we're just using that to our advantage to help them turn. All right, now we're going to try this. Maybe. Good, he didn't read that. That's all right. We'll just do it again. That was very good. Yes, good job. So much better. Yes, super duper. Ready? Yes, good. Yes, good. So by repeating it, we're pattern this a little bit, but he's associating my movement with where he needs to go. So now we're gonna try to put this together into a little bit of a bigger piece. Yeah, good boy, super duper. Good job. Hey, he hesitated a tiny little bit, but we got it, and we'll try that one more time. Yeah! Wow! That was fabulous! That was fabulous. He just left me in the dust. Perfect. That was so good. All right, good job. So he was patterning to what we did before. No big deal. I just gave him a cookie in the right bowl. Next time he'll anticipate that it happens over there. This is just a young dog learning a new skill. Okay, good job. Yeah, good boy. Nice, very good. So he thought about repeating that, but then he remembered that was more work than he had to do. So we're getting there, maybe. Good boy. Yes, good job. Good boy. So remember, I just went through a bunch of steps to teach a rear cross. He has done the first steps before, although he's not proficient in doing it in a sequence. But if you start teaching this, break it down. Do one session at a time. If you're happy with that, progress to the next stage. I spent quite a bit of time with one jump and the target, either the bowl or a pre-placed toy, to get them comfortable with that before putting it into a little sequence. Okay? So this is all like a big training session. Don't try to go forward too fast. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment on how it went with your dog. Thank you!